Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's tutorial, this is going to be a really quick tip on some of the changes that Canva has made, and one of the features that I couldn't find that I'm hoping I can show you so you don't have to research it. So Canva made a lot of updates last month, and one of them changed how you can find the free versus the pro elements inside of Canva. So I want to show you how to do that. So first thing is, once you're inside your design, you want to go over to elements, and let's say you're looking for white stars. You'll type in what you're looking for, and then it'll pull up graphics, photos, and all of that. That's fine. But what you want to do is, once you decide if you want graphics, photos, you'll click see all. Then once you're under see all, you have to click on that arrow to scroll to the right, and then you're going to find price. This is where the filter is now. You click on price, and then you'll have the option for free or pro, and then your results there. So I hope that helped you out. I know once I found it, it helped me. Now if you like templates, and I am working on a bunch of templates right now. For example, 2026 is coming up, and there are calendars that need to be made. That's whether that's calendars for yourself or calendars to sell on your platform. If you're interested in that, then go to my store, and then you want to click on the AI Design and Marketing Kit. Now, this kit is going to come with 150 AI prompts, my smart prompt generator that's built right inside ChatGPT, and a ton of Canva templates, just like I showed you, from the wall calendar to the party favors. Plus, you'll get access to updates that I make since you'll have the link. All right, so be sure to check that out, and until next time, thanks for watching.